Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching for Tech. So yesterday I created the video for the new Android 12 based ROM for the Oneplus 6, and that was the amazing experience for the new ROM. But our first and the mature custom ROM SyberiaOS already got the new update on 25th Feb. So it's already too late, but still I am creating the video for this new update because this update brings some amazing features that we are waiting for. As I am moving from the Awaken OS, I will do the clean flash. But if you are already on the SyberiaOS, then just dirty flash the Syberia zip in the Twrp. So without wasting your time, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
We already flashed the SyberiaOS several times, so the full OS firmware and the small OS firmware zips are not required again here. We just only need the SyberiaOS 5.2 update zip file. If you are doing the first time installation, watch the right side card video. Now go to the security setting and remove all the PIN and password lock in the phone. Now if you have advanced reboot setting in the power menu, then boot directly to the Twrp or the power of the device and long press the volume down and the power button to boot into the Twrp. Twrp 3.6 is recommended. After booting to the Twrp, just tap install and flash the Syberia zip file. Then tap Addons and tap flash current Twrp. If you don't have this option in the Twrp, then I have given the Twrp installer zip. You can flash that and now reboot back to the Twrp. So here I was reverted to ext for data partition because of Awaken OS. So to avoid the encryption issue in the Twrp, we need to format data to the F2FS. So tap the wipe and then check mark the data partition. Now tap repair or change file system option available at the bottom. Now tap F2FS and slide the bottom bar. So we shifted to the F2FS now. We need to format the data again. It's not necessary, still we can do that. Go to the wipe, then tap the advanced wipe and then tap the format data. Type yes and you are done. Now tap reboot to the system. So finally we booted to the SyberiaOS signature boot animation with the new pixel style setup menu. After setup, let's see what changed in about phone. We are still on the Android 12, no surprise. SyberiaOS version is also same as last 5.2. Security patch is also the same as last 5th Feb 2022. So the major change is the kernel upgraded to 4.9.303 with some scheduler improvement. This build is merged with all the latest Android 12 Google sources 32. This is the latest build of 25th Feb 2022. So let's see what major addition we got in the new update. Long awaiting feature face unlock has been added in a security setting. It's super easy to add the face unlock, but I felt it somewhat slower than the Awaken OS. Another super addition is the Google Columbus gestures. It's nothing but the quick type gesture available inside the system under the gesture setting. Here we get the quick tap gestures for the bunch of the activities like the screenshot, recent panel access, Google Assistant activation, etc. There is a separate tab for the quick tap strength. If we enable this, we need the stronger tab to access this feature. It's very good feature and working perfectly. Colored notification icons available by default in the status bar. To activate or to disable this, we need to go to the Syberia setting, then go to the panels, and then under the status bar we get the separate tab to access this. Android 13 inspired media output picker has been added in the ROM, which looks very cool and very handy to switch between the different media outputs. Under the settings sound, we get the new adaptive playback, alternatively called as the smart pause. Whenever we mute the sound of the device, it will automatically pause the media playback, and it automatically resumes the playback when we unmute the volume. So we can't miss any important part of our media playback. Another big feature added by the Syberia team is that they added the pause and resume option for any unsupported download server in the status bar. So now we can pause or resume any download. Under the display and the display size, now we get the smaller density size like the largest, larger, large, default, small, smaller, smallest. So now we have the bunch of the screen size density to customize our screen. Now in the battery stat, they have added the battery temperature and the battery history graph switch like the AOSP and the pixel style. But it seems that the pixel style graph is buggy and not visible. Instead of this, they have done some bug fixes like the single type quick sweating tile addition is now working without any issue. No need to drag to add the tile in a quick setting panel. In the new update, they dropped the lawn icons from the launcher and removed the Google Adaptive Sound. ROM has the lots of the bionic and ART improvements, so the performance-wise ROM is working very good, similar to the last update. But the Geekbench test results were lower in the older updates, so when I took the Geekbench test on this new update, we got the 481 for the single core and 1941 for the multi-core. It's still lower than the Pixel and the Awaken OS ROM, but still closer to the average. But I think as the temperature of device was raised, that's why we got these smaller down results. ROM is passing the safety net checks, so we can able to use all the banking and security apps in this ROM, but still the widevine is on the L3, so no more HD content for the Netflix. ROM is available with the call recording option in the dialer, but still the recording is not working. It's getting failed every time. Battery life is already tested in a separate battery test video. You can check that in a right side card. Still the battery is better than the Pixel and the Awaken OS ROMs. So that's it for today guys, for the new update of SyberiaOS. As soon as I will get the new update, I will let you know with the full review of the ROM. So if I help you, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.